Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at a multiplication algorithm that's pretty standard when we're performing larger multiplications than 6 times 7, for example. And we're going to use that simple multiplication today in this lesson. So if you've practiced your multiplication, it'll pay off today. So let's get started. We have 12 times 3. And so you start by saying 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 1 is 3, like that. So we have 3 times 2 to get 6 units, and then 3 times 10 to get 3 tens, like that. And that's it, it's that easy. So we have 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 2, 8, like that. 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 1, 2, like that. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and perform these multiplications on your own. Okay, and we're back. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 1, 4. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, let's move on to a little bit of harder examples now. So it's always the same thing. 4 times 2, 8. And then 4 times 4, 16 as such. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 5, 15, like that. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 6, 24. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 5, 25. So go ahead and pause the video and perform these multiplications. Okay, we're back. So 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 6, 18. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 4, 20. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 7, 21. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 5, 30. Just like that. Okay, moving on. So now we're going to look into some harder examples. And it's always the same thing where we go 5 times 4. So we start with the units. Now 5 times 4 is 20. So we have 20 units. And instead of thinking of it as 20 units, we're going to think of it as 2 tens and 0 ones. And so you see here 5 times 4 is 20, like that. There's a 2 up here and 0 there. And then after we count the tens, 5 times 1 is 5, but we have 2 more tens from the previous multiplication. So we have 5 plus 2, 7, like that. And so this is regrouping. So let's go into another example. 4 times 4 is 16. So 6, 1, like that, 16. And then 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1, 5, like that. 3 times 7, 21. 21, like that. 2 tens and 1 1. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 1 is 3, 4, 5, like that. Right? We have 3 tens plus the 2 more from before. So 3, 4, 5, like that. Don't worry, I'm going to do lots of examples so you really understand. 6 times 2, 12. See, like that? 12, like that. 6 times 5, 30, plus 1, 31, like that. 43 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 15. 5 times 4, 20. Plus 1, 21. Like that. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 8, 48. 4 times 3, 12. 12, like that. 4 times 9, 36. Plus 1, 37. 5 times 6, 30. 30. 5 times 6, 30. 1, 2, 3. 30 plus 3 as such. 2 times 7, 14. 14. 2 times 6, 12. Plus 1, 13. 3 times 8, 24. 24. 3 times 4, 12. 13, 14 as such. 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. 54. And so here are some practice problems for you to do, and go ahead and solve that on your own. Okay, we're back, and so here are the solutions. Go ahead and pause the video and correct those multiplications. Okay, next, moving on. Now we're going to do some multiplication of 1 digit times 3 digits. It's still the exact same method where you start with the ones, then the tens, and then the hundreds. So 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 2, 8, plus 1, 9. 4 times 1, 4, like that. And that's it, it's that easy. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 2, 6. And 3 times 6, 18. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 7, 21. 22, 23. Like that. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 2, 8, plus 1, 9. 4 times 5, 20. 5 times 9, 45. 5 times 8, 40, plus 4, so 44. 5 times 6, 30, plus 4, 34. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 6 times 8, 48. 6 times 1, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 times 5, 30, plus 1, 31. So go ahead and pause the video and perform these multiplications. And we're back. Here are the solutions. Go ahead and pause the video and correct your multiplications. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.